My name is Pablo. I'm a professional photographer, and I never use Photoshop. I've been around the world photographing cities like Rome, New York, Paris, Los Angeles, Rio, Venice, Athens, Giza, San Francisco, Bangkok, Istanbul, Santa Monica, Luxor, Kuala Lumpur, and I also visited countries like India, Peru, Switzerland, China, Mexico, Germany, Cambodia, Austria, Spain, and many others. I photograph millennial cities where history lives on every corner. Megalithic buildings at 12,000 feet from the sea level, rocks of more than 100 tons that have been carved and fitted with a millimetric precision. Impossible technology. Places that keep mysteries yet to be solved, and puzzles that make fools the wisest men. Active volcanoes, day and night. Water droplets in tiny flowers, and giant trees, over 3,000 years old. I was among the roots of fallen titans, and I swam in caves with underground rivers over 65 million years old. I photographed life in the smallest and the largest forms. I beheld nature as I have never dreamed. Rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, beaches, mountains. I photograph people working on the streets, engagements, weddings, events, dancers, commercial products, architecture, portraits of all kinds, and landscapes that seem to be drawn from fairy tales. But what people do not realize is that just 5 years ago, I was a simple dishwasher in a restaurant. At that time, I was fired, and I lost everything, including my marriage and my children's. And I had to start over, from scratch. And without the economic help of anyone, I was able to transform my life and recover the most important of all, the company of my kids. This video is a message for all those who are or have been oppressed, humiliated, abandoned, or underestimated. Never give it up on your dreams and your ideals. Believe in yourself and your potential, because only you can change your life and conquer the world. This is my legacy for this and the next generations.